Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix your POCO F7 heating while charging. So first, let's start off by me saying that it's normal if you use your device and your device uses the fast charging. So in this example, it's the POCO F7. It does use fast charging, so it's normal that your device is heating. Now, what you guys can also do is check for background apps in the settings. So go to settings, now go to battery, scroll a bit down. The battery is right below the apps. Now here, scroll down and see which app uses the most high power, the most power. So for me, it's the Google Play Store and the Teams. The POCO launcher, I cannot do anything about it. It's the launcher of the phone, so it's very normal that it uses a lot, especially that I haven't used a lot of apps on this phone. So now you guys can check it here, and you guys can restrict background apps right here. For example, we can do that to Google too. So now let's click OK, and that way we can restrict the background apps. So make sure to always use the original charger and the cable and avoid the phone while charging. So don't use it for gaming, watching YouTube, Netflix, whatever. You need to put it down. And what you guys can also do is remove the case to improve the heat dissipation. Basically, as you guys can see, we have the phone right here. And when you're charging it, then I'd recommend you guys taking off the case, because the case traps heat inside of the phone, so that's very bad. And last, what you guys can do is charge the phone in a cool and ventilated area, and I don't mean the fridge. Like a room temperature is okay. Make sure to don't charge it in the sun, because your battery could get worse over time. And that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.